Lamborghini Diablo was made in 1992. It's 2 years older than me, and I had a pleasure to work on this car. So this car came to us to receive a full body paint protection film, and of course it's a fully custom install. There's no patterns for this car. Usually patterns, they are made for cars that are more common to be wrapped, and there are not many of these cars, especially by its age, especially in this condition. And everything was done by hand, everything was cut by hand, everything was customized to hide edges, to avoid stretching marks, to allow this car to shine, because this is what this car is meant to do, to draw attention, to be seen by everyone. It's a piece of art, right? So we done the custom PPF on the full body. We have also done windshield protective film to avoid hitting by rocks and the need of replacing, especially because replacing this windshield, one, wouldn't be cheap, and two, would be probably hard to find the exactly same spec of glass. So protecting it makes a lot of sense. And to finalize it, we have also done ceramic coating through the whole film. So I have used the Labo Cosmetica Gloss PPF ceramic coating. It's a very good quality ceramic coating, so we'll make the PPF more protected because of the sun in Australia that is extremely harmful to everything, burns everything. So we'll give a little bit more easy of maintenance to the PPF, and also will protect from UV rays, infrared rejection, and all this sort of. And yeah, the car is looking amazing. It was a pleasure to work in such a nice car, and especially because this car pushed me through all limits I had. Of course, it's the first time wrapping this car, but also I never faced a situation where the panel was pushing me through all my limits. So I had to think twice before doing anything, especially because it was the first time wrapping, especially quarter panels like this, fenders like that, and I'm very happy with the result. I'm very impressed. So this car helped me to become humble again, to respect the limits of the material, to think a little bit more before wrapping a panel, not to be automatic, just installing slapping panels with PPF, and gave me the pride of pretty much doing a very artistic sort of work. It's not just installing a plastic over the paint. It's literally learning the limits of this plastic in a way that the car is pretty much invisible coverage with the film. And yeah, I'm very happy with that. So if you have a car that you want to get it protected by someone who really takes pride of his work, you can come to me. PPF Pro Solutions, we are located in Moorbank. We offer only 3 services. It's paint protection film, could be PPF which goes on the paint, could be PPF that goes on the windshield, which is different material, and also for the sunroof. We also offer ceramic coatings and window tinting. So only these 3 services. Want to keep everything simple and easy for you. So if you pick up a brand new vehicle, bring it in straight to us so we can organize or talk about a package that will suit your needs with your car, and also will allow you to drive, enjoying your vehicle, not being worried about getting damaged and all these sort of things. So yes, very happy. I hope you enjoyed the video, the photos, as much as I really enjoyed working on this car. And hopefully I'll see you guys with another different car or different work to share with all of you. Peace, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.